Good morning, people. Today it's an Royal Enfield's ride. It's 19th of December. Right now it's 8:56 a.m. and I'm on the way to the Royal Enfield showroom, Ratnagiri. That is Vinayaka Motors. Today there is an event from them. All Royal Enfields in the city are gonna be riding to the Ariyori together. So it's an kind of hashtag ride as one event that's gonna get in place today. So I'm on the way to that specific event. Timing for that event is 9 o'clock. It's 8:57, 9 o'clock to 3 a.m. I think it's gonna be a fun day. So let's see. This is the first time that I'm gonna have not first time actually, it's maybe second time. First time I rode with Hyderabad's group, one of the groups, with Leila, when I rode Leila to the Hyderabad at that time. So this is actually kind of second time, yeah, but again first time with Riha, and I don't know, I'm not having any kind of excitement or something like that because I like to ride solo and I'm not sure how it's gonna be. So let's see, fingers crossed. So of course, yeah, I'll be updating it with my recording and so that I'll be able to put this all together for you guys, how I experience it. Cool. गुड मॉर्निंग. हां,
जवळपास थ्री ग्रुप्स असणार आहेत.
बरं बरं,
ग्रुप तुम्ही लीड करा.
ठीक आहे, चालेल, हरकत नाही, चालेल.
कुठली गाडी त्यांची हिमालयनच आहे, एक ग्रे कलर आहे. ते लिडिंगवाले वन साईड राहते, म्हणजे पटकन आपल्या पुढे घेता येतं. अजून थोडी माहिती रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरे करून घ्या.
हां, ठीक आहे, चालेल, ओके. All right, apparently they have asked me to lead one of the group and it's gonna be fun. So for 3 वाजता.
सर सिंगल आला का?
हो. ओके, सॉरी, लंचसाठी. ओके, ठीक आहे. ओके, चालेल. हे 8 नंबर म्हणजे अच्छा, बरं, ठीक आहे, चालेल, धन्यवाद. So what we will do is we'll try to get some cinematic shots and yeah.
डोळ्यासमोर ठेवून जास्तीत जास्त अपघात कसे कमी करता येतील, यामध्ये जी आर्थिक हानी होती, त्या कुटुंबाची जी हानी होती ती टाळण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करत आहोत.
खूप मोठा महत्त्व आहे आपले देशासाठी, आपल्यासाठी. आणि दुसरा, ॲज रायडर्स तुम्ही सगळीकडे बसलो आहे,
तर पुढे काय, तर तुमच्याकडे ग्लोव्ज असले पाहिजेत, सेफ्टी ग्लोव्ज. तर सगळ्यात पहिला धक्का तुमच्या बोटांना बसतो, बोटं नाजूक असतात. नंतर तुम्ही पडता त्यावेळेस गुडघा आणि कोपर याच्यावर पडतात. आणि 2 आयुष्यभर उपयोगी पडणारे अवयव आहेत. साहेबांच्या वडिलांना जी भीती वाटत होती डॅमेज झालं तर काय, इट इज रियालिटी.
Starting the ride now. Everyone is getting in position. This is gonna be one hell of a ride. These are the all riders, and that's Riha. Hell yeah, it's gonna be fun. So there are two specific reasons for this ride today, which is a ride as won by Royal Enfield, Vinayaka Motors from Ratnagiri, and one of them is like 75 years of independence of India. Second is salute to all the freedom fighters who fought for our independence, and being an Indian we should really take a pride. This is how it's supposed to be like. Okay, this is how it's not an any day, it's not an just like an any day, it's a fucking an Independence Day of India, and you should be able to take an pride with your backbone straight, with your neck straight, looking up to the flag, an Indian flag, which means a hell of us for everyone. So this is all about that. This rally, this ride as one, it's all about that. So here's my salute to all of them who fought for us and gave us the independence for everyone. I think we have to stop at Malnagar, right? Yeah, here I think. Let's stop. Yeah. बरं It's almost 12 o'clock right now, and we are on the way to Arevare, and they have Royal Enfield have asked us to maintain speed of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour, and yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna make some statement with Riha, baby. Oh yeah. So we two are the leaders who are leading the two lines of almost 60 to 70 bikes. Behind us, 60-70 bikes behind us, Royal Enfield, all kind of Royal Enfields, Bullet, Thunderbird, 350 Classic, old and new both, Interceptor, Meteors, everyone. So ahead is the first car of the police, then there is the car of the all the cameramen and the staff, and then there are management staff who are guiding us to the destination. As soon as we reach at the destination, there is a planned lunch that we will be having together all. Let's see if we can make new connections all together and we can go along. चला शैलेश, धन्यवाद, येतो. थँक्यू. हो हो, व्यवस्थित. चला, तेच तुम्हाला बोललो ना मी, JBR ऑटोमोटिव्ह म्हणून, त्याचेच स्टे पण त्याचंच आहे. हे स्टे अजून हा एक पाठीमागचा टेल रॅक. हो हां, अच्छा, ते वायटरच आहे का? ते पुढे ट्रेल पॅक. चला मग रत्नागिरी पण तर एकत्रच जाऊया. चलो,
राऊंड मारून जाऊया.
येऊ शकतो, पुढून एक राऊंड मारून येऊ शकतो. चालेल, चला एक राऊंड मारून येऊया. हो, खाली जाऊन येऊया. All right. So the event is done and I found 2 members in this ride who we are thinking of, kind of planning this group ride together, and we will see if we can add new members in Ratnagiri from Ratnagiri. So yeah, new people. We are done with the event. We just had lunch. Couldn't, kind of capture the moment because too hungry. It was too late. We started around, I think, at 12:15 and we reached around 1:30. We were driving almost at 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. It was a really, really slow ride. So, and yeah, we reached around 1:30. We had lunch. Right now it's 3 o'clock, proper 3 o'clock. And we three together decided that just kind of hang out for some time. लिंबू सरबत वगैरे काय पिऊ? काय ते रोज काढावे लागतील. बघा 3 घ्या. हां, ट्रेल पॅक्स. हां हो बरोबर. नाही तर चांगला स्पेशियस आहे तो. मी त्याचे रिव्ह्यूज बघितले, खूप स्पेशियस आहेत त्या एकदम. वायटराच्या ट्रेल पॅक्स येतात 3000 अराउंड, दोघं 3000 अराउंड येतात. खूप सुंदर, म्हणजे आपल्याला गोव्याची ट्रिप अक्षरशः त्या 2 बॅगवर होणार, एवढी चांगले बॅग्स आहेत ते. So I think right now is the time to say goodbye, and this one was really an happy, good day where I had a totally new experience, found some new friends. Apparently we will be riding together soon somewhere. That's in talk right now. Like right now itself we had some kind of discussion about we should plan something around together, one day trip or something like that, and road trip, and see how if it goes. So yeah, that's what's going on right now in our mind, all three of us. So hopefully someday or soon maybe you will see me roaming around with some new people, and maybe I'll introduce you someday. Yeah, so till then, ciao, tata, bye bye, sayonara, sasriya akal. See you soon guys, take care, be safe, and Godspeed.